Hi everybody, gonna do a cold start video on my weed whacker. This is my dad's old one and he gave it to me because it never started. It never started because it would start on the carb because he would spray some carb spray in there, but the gas lines going into the gas tank were split, so I'm working on that, but I'll start it just through putting some fuel in the carburetor, and I've already done that. So we'll stick my camera maybe right over here. Yeah, right there. Think that'll work? Okay. Try not to get in the way. Oh, almost. A little more. Oh. Need a little gas. So, this is my weed whacker. About to die. Yep, running out of fuel. But this is my weed whacker, and bye.